before. You can easily see that the color is very different in one direction from the other direction. Much more pleasant. So now that we have the design, we have other software that allows us to take the geometry of the design and simulate the way light will pass through the stone after it's complete. This is the facetron equipment. This is my favorite equipment for faceting. This is the nice tourmaline owned by my Japanese friend, and reformed the stone. Preparing to cut the design that I made specifically for this stone. And now we can see the finished stone. How very similar it is in behavior to the computer simulation of the original CAD.